In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do LinkedIn ads, HubSpot integration. By the end, you'll have your LinkedIn ads account connected to HubSpot and be ready to build a lead generation campaign without leaving your CRM. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From the main navigation, open Marketing, then choose Ads to enter the Ads tool. If this is your first time here, click Get Started with Ads to launch the onboarding flow. When you see the network options, select LinkedIn. HubSpot will show any LinkedIn ad accounts available to connect. Check the box next to the account you want to use. If you haven't connected LinkedIn before, you'll be prompted to sign in and approve permissions. Make sure you're using an account with the right ad access. Click Connect Accounts to authorize the link between LinkedIn and HubSpot. Once connected, click Next. You'll step through lead syncing and tracking setup. Clicking Next here confirms that HubSpot can automatically bring in leads from your LinkedIn lead gen forms, keeping your contacts and attribution up to date. Continue through the wizard, then click Go to Ads to land on the Ads dashboard. From the dashboard, click Create, then choose Ad Campaign. For this walkthrough, select a lead generation ad on LinkedIn. This campaign type uses a native LinkedIn form so prospects can submit details without leaving the platform. Click Next to open the campaign builder. Rename your ad to something clear and consistent, such as a naming convention that includes objective, audience, and date. Good names make reporting and optimization far easier later. Next, select your LinkedIn ad account. This choice is important because it controls billing, the assets and audiences you can use, who can manage the campaign, and where performance data is stored. Double-check you're choosing the correct account for the brand and region you're advertising. If you need to pause and come back, you can click Exit. Your draft will be saved so you can resume later. When you're ready to finish, review the remaining fields carefully. Audience targeting, budget, schedule, bidding, creative, and your LinkedIn lead gen form selection. Ensure your form fields and any consent text match your compliance needs, and verify your tracking so conversions flow back into HubSpot properly. When everything looks good and you have permission to launch, click Publish. That's it. Your LinkedIn ads account is integrated with HubSpot, and your lead gen campaign is ready to go, with leads syncing directly into your CRM for fast follow-up and clear attribution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.